Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel. We are learning about the Vuejs authentication. Now here we have did the login and logout functionality we have did. So test@test.com if you see, and here if you try to see, we are able to successfully log in, and also we are able to conditionally show the links also we have seen. Now what we need to do is, the only one thing missing is here the logout functionality. So here the logout functionality is not there. Let's try to add the logout functionality here. If you want to add this logout functionality, what we need to go, so the component that we needed is the navigation. Here I will try to add li. Okay, here I will add ahref is equal to hash. Okay, class is equal to nav-link, and here I will add logout functionality. Okay, now this one I will add the class here. So now here, instead of having the router link, you should not keep the router link. Okay, or otherwise manually the people will click the /logout thing. So that is the reason here I will add click.prevent, or sometimes what they will be trying to, or some people will be doing is they will be adding the form here. Okay, so whatever thing you want you can keep. So just I am keeping here on logout. So here on click prevent on logout, here I can add methods. So correct method is to use the form on post, something like that. It is better to use. So here on logout, so what I need to do, so when the logout will be happen, so when we make this all token and all those things null empty, so then the logout functionality will be completed. So then in the actions.js, what we need to do, so when this email token expression, these all are null, then only the logout we can do the logout thing. So how can we do? So let's add the logout functionality here. Before going, so let's create the constant here in this action, export constant logout underscore action is equal to actions logout user. Okay, so I have added the action here. Let's go to actions.js and add here async. There is no need of async, sorry. So here I can add the logout underscore action, and we will be getting the context. So there is no need of payload. Why? Because we will be making this all null. Instead of sending some data, we can make it null here. So I can copy this one. So save mutation, I can do the mutation here. Instead of sending the email, I don't have anything, null or empty. So here also token I can send null or empty. Okay, so instead of making this one null or empty, and here also I can make this one null or empty. Okay, whatever thing you want you can make it. All the things I am making it as null. So now logout underscore action, we made it null. So we need to use this action here. So let's go to the navigation, and here let's add map actions. Okay, so belongs to auth, and here I can add logout, so belongs to logout underscore action. So this one is the map action. Okay, so on logout, what I can do, this dot logout, I can use this dot logout directly. Okay, so we have used this logout functionality. Let's go here and let's try to check. So here I am able to see the logout. So here if I click on logout, we are able to see this logout. Why? So login, sign up and logout we are seeing. So that means, so we need to add the condition here. So let's go to navigation top. So when it should be appeared, so if it is authenticated only, is authenticated. Okay, is authenticated or is logged in, whatever the name you want you can keep it. Okay, now here logout button is not there. Now if I go here and if I do test@test.com and 1 2 3 4 5 6 if I do, and if I click on login, so now the logout functionality is, I am able to see the logout functionality. If I click here logout, so logout successfully happened. If I try to get the post details also, now we will not get the post details. Why? Because the token we have made it as empty. Now what I need to do is, I need to redirect this user to the login page automatically when the user clicks on logout. So what I can do here, I can use this dot $router dot replace. I need to use the replace. Why? Because push means it will push all the navigation to the browser back stack thing. So if you click on the back, it will go to again the logout thing. So here replace means automatically it will be replaced. If you want to know more about this replace and now push things. So I have covered in the Vuejs routing course, I have covered this concept. You can check those things. So here what I need to do, I need to go to the login. Okay, now here what I can do, here I can click on login. So I can press here test@test.com and 1 2 3 4 5 6, and if I click on login, so successfully I'm able to go to the home page, so post page, and if I click here the logout, see I moved to login. Okay, so successfully we have developed the logout functionality. So the only thing what is remaining is, for example, if I click on /post here, so we are going to the post page, but we don't need to go to the, so we should not allow the user to go to the post page. So we need to redirect him to the login page, so that if he is authenticated only, he will be able to access this post page. So why? Because token is not there. So in the next video, what we'll try to do is, we'll try to achieve this navigation condition wise guarding thing using the navigation guard. So we already know this before route enter, we have know, right? We know, right, before each. So we'll try to check that in the next video. Okay, if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video, and if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.